Everyone's talking about AI tools, but most people don't know which one actually helps you to make money. You hear about Canva AI, you hear ChatGPT, all these AI tools, they're creating such a buzz in society today, but what tools should you actually use to make the most out of 2025? What is left of this year to monetize, to make this the best year ever. Going into 2026, you should have plans, goals using these AI tools to make the most out of the year. In this video, I'll be breaking down the top 5 AI tools that you can use to start an AI side hustle or to monetize AI in this economy in 2025. And you can do this even if you've never started an online business, even if you've never done anything online. This is beginner friendly. So let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shanique and I help beginners start AI side hustles and turn them into digital products. So if you've ever wanted to start a side hustle or even an online business, and you might be feeling overwhelmed by the amount of tools, the amount of information going around about AI and how to use it, well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to simplify all of that to you and break down what are the best tools you can use to make the rest of this year your best. And by the way, if you want a full step-by-step guide that will help you, to launch your first AI side hustle quickly, then I've created 10 AI side hustles for a beginner. It's a free guide where you can get it. Click the link down in the description box below to grab yours. So to start things off, the first tool that I'm going to mention in this video that can help you is ChatGPT. This is one of my favorite AI tools because it's able to give you so much information based on what you give it. The thing about ChatGPT is you have to give it specific prompts. You have to tell it exactly what you want and what you want it to do, and then it will generate the information based on what you ask it. So what you have to do, you have to be very specific with ChatGPT when you're giving it prompts, when you're telling it what you want to create. For instance, if you want to create an ebook, you want to create a template, you want to create even a course, you can have ChatGPT outline your course content, your ebook content, anything that you want to create. You have to clearly tell the ChatGPT how to do it for you. You can also use ChatGPT to brainstorm side hustle idea. For instance, if you want to start an online business and you're not sure where to start, you can use ChatGPT just to help you to brainstorm things that you're already good at. You can tell ChatGPT what you're good at, and it will help you with ideas, even to write your digital products, as I was saying, your courses, your ebooks, your guide. You can also use ChatGPT to help you in creating your content script, what to say, how to say it. You can use ChatGPT to do all of that. But the main thing here, which I want to get across to you, is that while you're using ChatGPT, remember, you always want to use your intelligence along with the artificial intelligence. Whatever information it gives you, read it, analyze it yourself, and then pick out the parts that makes most sense to you, because you don't want ChatGPT to just write your whole ebook and then you just go and sell it just like that. You want to make sure that you're refining the information that ChatGPT gives you. Don't let it think for you. You think, you make sure that this is something that making sense, you understand? But it is able to give you a lot of information where when you add your intelligence to it, you can able to produce something that your clients, your customers, your audience, people will love and people will want to buy from you. So for example, you can ask ChatGPT to outline a digital ebook for you and even your product description. So it's so many things you can ask it. And if you're looking to create a digital products and you're not sure of what prompts to ask ChatGPT, I created a guide for you where I will link down in the description box below, where it is a prompt pack that you can use these prompts that I've put together for you to ask ChatGPT, and it will help you to create your first digital product. So if you're interested in creating an ebook, a class, a course, or a guide for yourself, or even to sell, then I've linked it down below where you can have it, you can download it, and you can get started to using these prompts to help you to make money online with ChatGPT. The number 2 tool that is on my list is Canva AI. Well, Canva has been around for the longest. I love Canva. Like, you can use Canva to do your ebooks. You can use Canva to create your courses. So for instance, if you get the outline from ChatGPT, so ChatGPT tell you everything that you need, the introduction, the parts of the ebooks, then now you're going to go over to Canva, where you can just plug in everything that you got from ChatGPT into Canva. So Canva is a great tool for design. You can make your logos in Canva. You can do so much with Canva. But being that Canva now has AI built in, it's so much similar to ChatGPT, where you can just tell the AI what type of design you're trying to create, what you're trying to achieve in Canva, and the AI will help you with these designs in the Canva app itself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to record my screen in Canva, and then I'm going to just show you some things that you can use this AI tool in Canva to do. So watch me.
So here we are in Canva, and this is basically just showing you some of the things that you can use Canva to do. So, as you see here, you can code, you can design, you can do videos, images, write, it can do so much for you in there as well. So for instance, if you want to create an image, if you notice here, they have some of these that you can use already, and then you can describe the image that you want to create. So I'm going to give you an example. So this is the example that I'm using. So what I said is, give me a cover design for an ebook about cooking healthy meals. So, if you're in fitness, then you could use this. So I'll use this as an example. So let's see what the Canva AI does. Let's see. Look at that. So instantly, the AI tool has generated covers, ebook covers for you. And that was done in seconds. So I'm telling you, you guys need to take advantage of these AI tools. AI is crushing it. And if you notice, so many of these companies are just incorporating AI in their software, in their business. So once you see Canva go AI, then you know that this is a game changer. So you can use Canva to, create your covers for your ebooks, your guides, your courses. This can be, a good cover. If you're gonna do a webinar about healthy eating, this can be a great cover for just an ebook, a simple guide, and they look so good. So yeah, these are some of the things that you can use Canva AI to do.
So the number 3 AI tool that you can use as well is Notion AI. So this is good for, organizing tasks, building your system, planning product launches. So these are some of the things that you can do in Notion. Notion is very much similar to ChatGPT. They're not the same, but very much similar. So this can help you to, stay consistent. You want to be more productive. So for instance, you can put your to-do list, just things to help you to stay more organized while you're working on your business, while you're working on the future that you want. These tools are going to help you to give you back so much more time. And the thing about AI, like this whole revolution, it's going to be something that is going to give people so much time, because some of these tasks that you would have to take hours to do, the AI tools are now able to cut these time down into minutes. So you have more time to be more productive. You have more time to plan your content. You have more time to schedule your content. You have so much more time to work in your business or on your AI side hustle. And when you buy back your time, then you can be more productive. So Notion is one of those productivity types of AI tool that you can use. The number 4 tool that I know will help you to make money online is Opus Clips. So I've used this before. So this is basically a tool where you can repurpose your videos. So for instance, if you make long form YouTube content, then you can take the long content from YouTube, copy it into Opus, and then it will cut the video in short clips for TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube short. So as we know, short form content are, it's such a great way to grow as a creator. So this can help you to grow your online business even faster, because instead of trying to make videos like different videos, you just make one long video, and then you can repurpose that long form video into shorter content for your audience on TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube shorts, so that you can get them to be a part, get them on your email list, get them to even watch your YouTube videos. So there's so much that you can do with Opus Clips. And I think you can also edit and chop, cut. If you see those videos where people are talking and you see the text to speech come up, and as you talk the text goes across, it can do that as well. So this is the number 4 tool, Opus Clips AI. So for number 5, I have 2 tools here that can help you to sell your products easily. So this is Gumroad and also Beacons as well. You can also use other places like Stan Store, your Linktree, because I know now that Linktree has a place where you can sell your digital product. But not to confuse you, I just want to make sure that you have the best ones. And what I think is Gumroad or Beacons, if you use these to sell your digital products, it's so much easier for you. So Beacons is the one that I use. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk you through Beacons just to give you a glimpse of how you can use these tools to set up your storefront. You don't even need a website, but they have websites in there as well if you want to create a website. So I'm going to record my screen and I'm going to show you how to use beacons.ai.
So here we are in beacons.ai. So the free plan, basically you can have customizable your LinkedIn bio. You can sell unlimited digital products, and you can also schedule appointments here as well. They do charge a 9% seller fee, and you can also have 1 course, 50 emails sent per month, 5 email automations, and all of that. So this is basically what you get with the free plan. And I think with the free plan, you get so much more than what you would have gotten with a paid plan from one of the other platforms, such as Stan Store of one of those other platforms. And then they have the Creator Pro. Yes, so as I was saying, so the Creator Pro $10, then the Store Pro $30, and then you go all the way up to $90. So something else in beacons.ai, if you notice, I am able to put all my links right here. I can do, this is my guide, if I have a course, I can put it there, my one-on-one calls. Like it's so good. I can do design, so you can pick how you want your beacons to look. It's such a great app or platform where you can just customize how you want to show up, how you want your link in bio to be. You can have your digital products. You can put your YouTube links. There's so many things you can do. You can put affiliate products and you can collab with them as well. You can also add your TikTok, your Instagram, everything, your audience. You're able to send people email links, emails from there as well. So if you want to check out beacons.com, I've put a link down below where you can get a free trial.
So here's the real secret. It's not just about using AI tools individually. It's about using all these AI tools together. So when you combine ChatGPT, Canva, and even a beacon store, then you have everything you need to start to design and to sell your own digital product completely powered by AI. And if you want to know which AI side hustle is right for you, then I created a free guide, which I linked down in the description box below, about 10 AI side hustle, which you can start this week as an absolute beginner. So get it now. And if you're ready to turn that AI side hustle into a full digital product business, then I created a course for you, which is the AI Side Hustle Blueprint, which you can also check out in the description box below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments below, which of these AI tools are you using already, or which of these AI tools are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.